Welcome to PreMath. In this video tutorial, we have got this interesting box puzzle as you can see in this figure, and we are supposed to fill in these boxes such that if we add or subtract, we are supposed to get these numbers 15, 15, 2, and 12. And moreover, I will share with you two different methods, so I will highly recommend you to watch this video till the very end. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution, and here's our very first method that I'm going to share with you. And here's the very first step we are going to do is we are going to label these boxes. And here's the very first thing I'm going to do. I'm going to call this box A and this box B. So far so good. Then this box is going to be simply what we should add so we can get 15. So we can see that this box has got to be 15 minus A, isn't it? A plus 15 minus A is going to give us 15. Likewise, we are going to use the same strategy over here as well. So this box is going to become 15 minus B. Now if we add B plus 15 minus B, we are going to get 15. And here's our next step. Let's go ahead and focus on these vertical boxes. And here I'm going to do 15 minus A minus 15 minus B has got to be equal to 2. So let me go ahead and write down 15 minus A minus 15 minus B equals to 2. So far so good. Let's go ahead and take care of these parentheses. So 15 minus A, and when we distribute this thing, that is going to be negative 15 plus B equal to 2. And now we can see this positive and negative 15, they are gone. So we ended up with negative A plus B equal to simply 2. And now let's focus on these vertical boxes. So this is going to become A plus B has got to be equal to 12. So let me go ahead and write down A plus B equals to 12. So let's go ahead and now add these two equations. If we add these two equations, this negative A and positive A, they are gone. So we ended up with 2B equal to 14. Let's divide both sides by 2. So B turns out to be simply 7. So that means our this B value turns out to be 7. So now we know that A has got to be 5 because 5 plus 7 is going to give us 12. And this next box we have 15 minus A. So 15 minus A is 5. So 15 minus 5 is going to be 10. So the value of this box is going to be 10. 5 plus 10 is going to give us 15. And finally, let's focus on this box. We got 15 minus B. 15 minus B is 7. So that means 15 minus 7 is going to be 8. So the value of this box is going to be 8. 7 plus 8 has got to give us 15. And here are our correct values for this boxes: 5, 10, 7, and 8. And that's our answer. And here's our second method that I'm going to share with you. So let's focus on these boxes once again. And let me go ahead and label them once again. This time I'm going to label them as A, B, C, and D. And here's our very first step. Let's go ahead and focus on these horizontal boxes. A plus B equals to 15, and second horizontal boxes are C plus D equals to 15. So let me just go ahead and write down A plus B equal to 15, and the other one is C plus D equal to 15 as well. Let's go ahead and add these two equations. When we add these equations, I can write as A plus C first, these one, and then plus B plus D on the right hand side. 15 and 15 is going to make 30. And here is our next step. Let's focus now on our vertical boxes. We have A plus C equals to 12, and the other vertical boxes are B minus D equals to 2. Let me go ahead and write down A plus C equal to 12 and B minus D equals to 2. Now let's go ahead and look at this thing. A plus C equals to 12. Let's go ahead and replace over here A plus C. I am going to replace it by 12. So this means 12 plus B plus D equal to 30. Let's subtract 12 from both sides. So that means this is gone. By the way, B plus D turns out to be 18, isn't it? And here we got B minus D equals to 2. Let me go ahead and call this equation number 1 and this number 2. And here's our next step. Let's add these two equations, number 1 and 2. I have copied them down over here. Let's go ahead and add them up. So we can see when we add this negative D and positive D, they are gone. So we got 2B equals to 18 plus 2 is 20. Let's divide both sides by 2. So that means our B value turns out to be 10. So that means our this value is 10 now. So that means this A value has got to be 5, isn't it? 5 plus 10 equals to 15. And now let's focus on this box A once again, which is 5. So C has got to be 7, because 7 plus 5 is going to give us 12. And finally, we know C equal to 7, so D has got to be 8. If we add them, we are going to get 15. So thus our answer turns out to be 5, 10, 7, and 8. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.